here. We've had so many questions on social media about the mold press that we just wanted to hop on here and do a quick sneak peek and announce some exciting news. The mold press will start shipping to retailers in July, so you should see it in stores and online in August, September, depending on where you live. So let's just talk really quickly about what comes with the mold press when you buy it. You get the mold press machine, you get the magnetic frame, you also get sheets of plastic, you get the adapter that allows you to use it with almost any standard vacuum. You also get an instruction booklet, so you have everything you need to get started. We also sell accessories to help with your creating, like this vacuum form. We sell the heat tool, and that's for perfecting details and getting custom shapes. We also have heat resistant gloves so that you don't burn your hands while you're working with that plastic. We have polymer clay, so that if you have a hollow object that you want to fill in for molding, you can use that. We have mold release in powder and liquid form, and there's also different packages of plastic. You can buy additional plastic to work with. So, do you want to make something? I totally do. So let's get started. What I've done is I've filled this in. Like I said, this is just a regular cookie cutter. I put the polymer clay in here to fill in the empty space, and I'm going to use that to mold. So we're going to place that right down here in the bottom. I'm going to turn on my machine and get this heating element heating up. And while I do that, I'm going to grab a piece of plastic, and I've already removed the film off of this. There's film on both sides, so you need to make sure you peel those off. And then we're going to separate this magnetic frame and place the plastic right in here. And the cool thing is there are little guides that show you exactly where you need to place it, so you can't miss. We're going to place that back together. We're going to stick this up in the top. There's a magnetic top here, so that just slides right in, no guessing again. Leave that there so that it heats the plastic and softens the plastic. I'd say about 3 minutes, and you're going to know it's ready when you see the plastic drooping down. Then it's softened and ready to mold. You can use the plastic forms to paint or craft with, or you can use them as molds for chocolate, for candle melts, for soap, and for so much more. So it looks like my plastic is softened and drooping, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to turn on the vacuum. And that plastic just takes the shape of my cookie cutter down in the bottom. So now I'm going to remove this. Take this off, and it takes just a few seconds to cool. So it's fine for me to touch right now. And then what I would do is pop that out. And then what I've done for this project is I cut down the plastic, trimmed it, and then I attached it to this little card, filled it with some sequins, and you've got an easy shaker pocket. How cool is that? So guys, watch for the mold press coming to stores this summer. It'll be there soon, and I'm so excited for you to get it in your hot little hands.